Hi guys! If you wish to enable watching so-called sensitive content in Telegram, you need to do next. Open any web browser because the application doesn't have these settings. Now tap on the search bar and go to web.telegram.org. Now enter your country code, enter your phone number, hit next, and enter this confirmation code. Make sure you have notifications in your Telegram app enabled. And now go to settings, tap on three bars at the top left, settings, privacy and security, and scroll down until you see the sensitive content. Now disable filtering, and it affects your application as well. And that's pretty it. I hope this was helpful. Subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, and be awesome. Bye guys.